In this video, I'll show you how to disable Vercel Authentication step by step. Open your web browser and go to vercel.com. Log into your account and you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. You should see a list of your projects here. Click on the project where you want to disable Vercel Authentication. Click on the project card or the project name in the list. The project's overview page will open. Look over to the sidebar and click on Settings. The settings page loads with multiple configuration options visible. In the Settings sidebar menu, find and click on Deployment Protection. The Deployment Protection configuration page appears, showing your current protection settings. Scroll down to find the Vercel Authentication section in the main content area. You'll see options like Standard Protection, All Deployments, or other protection method toggles. Now look for the option to set protection to None. Depending on the interface, this might be a drop-down menu, a toggle switch, or radio buttons. Once you make that change, the interface updates to show protection is disabled. Click the Save button to confirm the changes. You'll find it either at the bottom of the Deployment Protection section or at the top of the Settings area. A confirmation message appears to let you know your settings have been saved. Here's what happens next. As soon as you disable Vercel Authentication, all your existing deployments become unprotected immediately. Your preview and production deployments are now publicly accessible without requiring login. If you re-enable Vercel Authentication later, users who already authenticated to a specific deployment can maintain access without logging in again, provided they still have the authentication cookie in their browser. That's it. You've successfully disabled Vercel Authentication on your project.